I'm Gloria, and today I'm going to prepare for you barbecue meatballs. They come out delicious, sweet, perfect. I know that you and your family will love and will enjoy. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. These are my ingredients. I have pepper flakes, vinegar, ketchup, honey, soy sauce, eggs, breadcrumbs, garlic powder, black pepper, onion powder, garlic salt, milk, ground beef extra lean. I am ready to show you how I prepare these barbecue meatballs. So let's get started. Gloves on. I am ready to prepare my meatballs. I'm gonna add my parsley, my garlic powder, garlic salt, onion powder, black pepper, breadcrumbs, half a cup of milk, and my 2 eggs. These meatballs come out very soft and very juicy. And I am ready to mix. We don't want to over mix, okay? We just want to incorporate all these delicious flavors into our ground beef. Okay, this is completely mixed and I am ready to make my meatballs. I have my baking dish here. I'm gonna make my little meatballs and trying to do all of them the same size. We're gonna bake them 400 Fahrenheit for about 25 minutes. Okay, I'll see you when I'm done making my meatballs. I am done with my meatballs. I'm gonna take them to the oven. The oven has been preheated 400 Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. I'm gonna take them in there and I'll show you when I'm bringing them out. I have turned my heat on. While my meatballs are cooking in the oven, I'm gonna start making my barbecue sauce. I started with water, ketchup, honey. The honey gives such a delicious flavor to this barbecue. Soy sauce, vinegar, and we are ready to mix until it combines completely. We're gonna leave it in very low heat. Okay, I'll show you when it starts simmering. My sauce just started simmering. What I'm going to do is just reduce to very low and let it cook for 5 minutes. I want to show you that my sauce has thickened. I am ready to turn it off and just wait for my meatballs. I just got my meatballs out of the oven. I am ready to put them in my sauce. They look delicious. Okay, I am ready to put my meatballs in my barbecue sauce. I'll show you when I'm done. I'm going to turn them around, every single one, and I'm gonna let them cook for about 5 minutes, just so that the meatball absorbs all the barbecue sauce. I'll see you in a little bit. Okay, these meatballs are ready. I can't wait to taste them. See you. With my meatballs. These came out perfect, delicious. Look how beautiful they look. My barbecue meatballs, they look amazing, and I'm sure that they taste amazing. This is the part I love, I enjoy, and I really look forward tasting my dishes. I wish you were here. Let's see how this came out. Boy, they're very tender, very soft. And with my veggie rice that you already have in my channel. If you want to make this rice, you already have it in my channel. Let's see how this tastes, okay? Excuse me. The meatball is very tender from the inside, but yet crispy from the outside. This is very delicious and very tasty. Excuse me. This dish came out perfect. If you liked and loved my recipe, please don't forget to subscribe. Give me thumbs up. Don't forget to share my video on social media so more people get to know Cooking with Gloria. Don't forget to push the notification bell so whenever I make a new recipe, yes, you are notified. Thank you so much for spending these few minutes with me, for watching my video from start to end. I really appreciate it. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. And I will stay enjoying my barbecue meatballs. Bye-bye.